Now we are going to see how to clean glasses. It might be window, it might be mirror, or even glasses on top of tables. And after, we will see how to clean the wooden furniture. So for cleaning the glass, you have to put the chemical. You clean from top to the bottom. And you dry it properly. And you clean the mirror frame. Remember, when you are cleaning the glasses, you have to pay much attention so that you can't break it. And after the glasses, we are going to clean the wooden furniture. So now we are going to clean the furniture which have the wooden surface. We have to use the furniture polish, and you spray on the cleaning cloth in 8 inches from your face. Have also to clean down. So this was the last surface that we were supposed to clean since the beginning. Now we are done with the use of cleaning tools, material, equipment, and cleaning agents. I really appreciate your attention, and I welcome you on the next session. Thank you very much.